Hello friend, this is from Karvil machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 400 liters kneader mixer for Turkey client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material solid watercolor sheet, which is high hardness and high viscosity, maintaining much glue, high viscous material. For this mixer, we use the stainless steel for the material contact part, and we use a Chinese famous brand motor and good quality reducer to support the strong power. Especially, the client asked us to do a heavy-duty blades. And later video, we would like to open the top lid and show the type of the blades. The left one is electricity cabinet. The main components we use Schneider brand and Chinese famous brand in water. All the material contact part we make stainless steel and mirror polish. Let's turn around to see it. We can see oil cylinder, and this is a hydraulic station, which consists of the hydraulic system for the driving of top lid open and close, cylinder tilting, and back for the material discharging process. This is the main motor, reducer, belt cover, and the gear cover cabinet. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to take this opportunity to make a simple test for the basic function of this mixer. Let's focus on the panel of the cabinet. We can see this is the inverter panel, ammeter, voltage meter, temperature meter for the display of the material inside the chamber temperature, a knob for the speed control. Buttons part, this is for the blades direction, forward, reverse, stop. This is for the light on the top lid. And these 4 buttons is for the top lid open, close, cylinder tilting, and back. Emergency stop button. Okay, we release it and start it. Forward, we can control the speed here. There's a knob. Now we started it. We can see the light on the top lid. We can check the inside situation via another window. Also, we equipped a material feeding port. We can also check the inside situation via this window. Now we can see the heavy-duty blades, a special design for the requirement according to client. Now the blades are rotating in the forward direction. I would like to test the max speed. I control the knob to the max. Okay. You can hear the voice. Now this is final max speed, 37 for the blades. And we stop it. And then we test the reverse direction. At the same time, I tested the max speed. Now the blade is rotating the reverse direction. I would like to take around to check the working state. Okay, stable. Now slow down. You can see the change of the panel. This is the speed of the shaft. Okay. What I want to see is that we equipped a sensor on the back of the top lid. This here, sensors. Once the top lid opened, the mixer will stop without any operation on the panel. This is a safety protection system. I would like to display it. Open lid. Okay, just now I didn't do any operation on the panel. Top lid opened, mixer stopped for safety consideration. Okay, and then I would like to display the material discharging part, process, cylinder tilting, wire the hydraulic system. This way, material can be discharged out of the cylinder. However, even in this situation, we can also drive the blades. This is another function, we call it inching switch function. However, I must keep my finger on the button continuously. Once I remove, it will not work. For example, keep my finger on the forward direction. Now I keep my finger on the panel. Once I remove, it will not work. And it is the same principle for the reverse direction. The reverse direction is used for the material discharging. Let's do it. Okay. Just now I have tested the inching switch function. Okay. After the material discharging, we can make the cylinder back and close the top lid. Cylinder back. Okay, close the top lid. Okay, so just now, this is a simple test for the basic mixing function and the safety protection function, inching switch function of the new finished 4 liters, 400 liters model needle mixer for Turkey client. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.